I know you're excited to see the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1, but before I show you guys the sneakers, I'm just going to take 1 second to ask you guys to please smash that thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow, so please make sure you guys take a second, click that like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below if you guys want to win a pair of Biohack Air Jordan 1s. That's all you guys need to do. I'm going to be giving these away very soon. Be sure to subscribe, give me a follow on Instagram, leave a comment down below, smash the like button. Let me show you guys the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1. Sneakerheads, listen up. I need to tell you guys about Sole Premise. Sole Premise makes high quality bags for sneakerheads when you travel. This right here is their backpack that holds 1 to 2 pairs of sneakers. They have backpacks, duffel bags, carry-on bags that are TSA approved, tons of different styles, tons of different colors. Be sure to check them out. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. There's also a discount code for 40% off your order. Let me show you guys the features of the bag. So as you guys can see, first and foremost, I have my MacBook right here inside the computer. There's a little compartment for it, perfect. And I also have room for my sneakers. So as you guys can see, I have 2 pairs of Yeezys in there. I also have room for clothing and a bunch of stuff I can fit in the backpack. There's also some front zippers as well. Tons and tons of storage in Sole Premise backpacks. Sole Premise makes high quality bags for sneakerheads when you travel. Be sure to click the link down below in the description and use my discount code DannyMoore for 40% off your order from solepremise.com. I highly recommend their bags. If you're a sneakerhead and you're on the go, you definitely need to check out Sole Premise. They're a must for sneakerheads. Travis time.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
The Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1. Here they are, guys. Insane. These are crazy. First off, I need to give a huge shout out to Soul Demand and Jay. I'm going to leave their link down below in the description. Make sure you guys give them a follow. They got the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 early. And let me show you guys, they got the box and packaging. 100% legit retail pair, of course, over here. Let's open these up. Let's take a look at the packaging. These are crazy in hand. Crazy. So they do come with the plastic wrapping, which you do have Cactus Jack logos, Cactus Jack branding, Air Jordan Wings logo, Nike Air branding all over that wrap, which I think they took inspiration from the On My Mini Air 3s, because those also came with that. The box. You got the blue and white Nike box, Jordan 1 box. Nothing special about the box, just blue and white. Open it up, and you have the tissue paper, the pink tissue paper inside, and your white tissue paper as well. Guys, insane. Now let's get back to the shoe. These are crazy in hand. Quality is insane. This collaboration is, in my opinion, the real hypebeast, most hypebeast collaboration you could probably get. Travis Scott and Fragment. You do have the Fragment logo here on the back of the right shoe, and on the left, the Cactus Jack smiley face. The midsole is sail, which I do like. It does set the shoe apart from the white upper. The tumbled leather is so soft. They did a really nice job with materials on the shoe. Very nice tumbled leather, and then the black backwards Nike swoosh. Take a look at the Wings logo. Take a look at the back, man. Very, very nice. Take a look at the shape. Such a clean shoe. There's the Fragment logo. The other side, you do have, of course, the Cactus Jack stitched in there, and then the blue outsole to set everything off. On the tongue, you do have on the right shoe the Cactus Jack, Nike Air, your insole is white with the blue Nike Air. Now on the left sneaker, you do have on the tongue Fragment design with your Nike Air, which is a really nice touch. They do come with some extra laces, which is nice. So you have the black laces already on the shoe, your blue, your white, and your pink. Very, very nice. And on the inside of the left sneaker and the right sneaker on the inside, you do have the writing there on the midsole with the Fragment design branding. Another crazy detail about the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1s is the inside on the Velcro. Instead of it being red like it is on the OG, it's actually tough to do there, but it is pink on the inside, which is a nice little touch as well. This is a dope shoe. Details, all about the details when it comes to the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 High. This is a dope sneaker. Hype is gonna be through the roof. It's already through the roof. Resell is crazy. These are over 2 bands right now, almost $3,000 right now, guys. Crazy, crazy sneaker. Good luck on the release. These will be dropping on the Travis Scott website. They're up for a raffle very soon as of right now. So by the time this video goes out, the raffle might be happened already. Yeah, man, these are crazy. Good luck on the release, guys. Let me know if they're a cop or a drop. Let me know if you're gonna pay resale down below in the comments. I will be paying resale for this sneaker. I promise. I will be paying resale if I don't take a W on retail. I need them. They're a must cop in my personal collection. I can't wait to rock them. This is not my pair. Shout out to, once again, to Soul Demand NJ. Make sure you guys give him a follow. This is a dope shoe and definitely a must have. Let me know what you guys think. Cop or drop down below. Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1s. I had to show you guys the off-white ICA Air Force One, the lemonade colorway. These are absolutely insane. They have a few pairs too, which is insane. University gold color is so nice, it's so vibrant. Gotta give a huge shout out to Soul Demand NJ for letting me take a look at the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 highs before they release tomorrow. I'm gonna get this video up ASAP. I wanna show you guys some more shoes. They have a lot of things I haven't actually taken a look at in hand. We haven't taken a look at on the channel, and I'm gonna drop another video in here, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna film another video, do some cash out, maybe a trade action. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But let's take a look. Let's see what else they have. They do have some new Yeezys. I haven't seen any of the new Yeezy 700s. I'm interested in seeing these. The orange midsole, definitely interesting. Not really something I'd wear, but these are loud. Those are crazy. Haven't seen any of the new drops really in person. I really haven't. So I definitely gotta take a look at some of these. Oh, here are the Cloud Whites. The Mono Ice, I'm sorry. Cloud White, Mono Ice. These are dope. Easy slides, orange. I heard they messed up sizing on these like crazy. This is a size 10. This does not look like a 10. That's weird. They messed up sizing like crazy. An 11? Yeah, that looks like an 11. 11? That's not an 11. How are those the same? They definitely messed up sizing when it comes to the orange Yeezy slides. That definitely looks different. But they have a bunch of dunks, Fragment dunks I just got rid of. Ooh, foam runners. Got the Yeezy foam runners. These are dope. Definitely like these. Got a bunch of Nike dunks. I definitely need the black and white, the Panda dunks. Maybe pick these up. We'll see. Definitely got to pick up something today. And ooh, we got off-white 5s. I need that right there. That's a size 10. Ooh, I might be copping those. I'm gonna take a look at those. See what else they got. Travis 6s. I got the OG size 11. Got the Jordan 4s, the white Oreos. Big size right there. University blue 4s. Very nice. Got a bunch of shoes, man. I love it. Ooh, big ones. Okay. All right. These aren't doing too well on the market, but not bad. Not bad in hand. We got more. Bunch of Jordan 1s. This store is fire. Make sure you guys check them out. They got a bunch of heat and a bunch of Jordan 1s, Hyper Royals and University Blues for days. More family, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1. Are you copping a pair? Are you not going to pay resale? Let me know down below in the comments. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.